Hello, how are you? When you go to the bookstore or to the library with your child and your child picks up a book, so the first thing that they see is the cover of the book. That's the front of the book. So today I'm going to talk about how to teach your child to see the cover of the book in the right way. And this is a question I got from so many parents. So stay and watch this video to the end, because you are going to know what are the things you can teach your child on the cover of the book, and also one activity that will help them to understand it better. So let's begin. When your child picks up the book, what he will see? First he will see the picture there, and then he will read Pat a Cat. So what is Pat a Cake? It is a title of this book. This book is written by, so I don't see it here, but I can see here one thing, illustrated by Annie Kubler. What illustrated by means that these pictures are done by Annie Kubler. So when your child opens the book, and then you can tell your child, look, these pictures are done by the illustrator, and that illustrator is Annie Kubler. It becomes more interesting because now your child knows who drew this beautiful picture. Now let me pick this book. Again, the title of the book is The Princess in Black and the Perfect Princess Party. Title of the book, illustrated by Nguyen Pham. But who wrote this book? The author of the book is Shannon Hale and Dion Hale. And who is the author? The guy or the girl who wrote this book. So now you can tell, when you read this book, and if the child finds this book to be very interesting, then they will definitely acknowledge the author, that how interesting and how nicely he wrote or she wrote this book. So this is a great way to make the book even more interesting to your child. So I always follow this whenever my kids or my school kids pick up a book. Yes. So I got this book which has almost everything that we are looking for. So remember, when you give a book, ask your child, what's the title and where is the title? Oh my, a butterfly. Title of the book. Who wrote this book? Tish Ray. The person who writes the book is called author. Illustrated by Aristides Ruse and Joe Matthew. Here, two people designed this book. For this activity, we need a notebook, and we will take a notebook like this. And after that, I have made few cutouts. Like this will be for the title of the book, and then I have two pieces which is for the author of the book and the illustrator of the book. And then this book is about an apple tree, so I have made a cutout for an apple tree, or your child can draw it there too. So let's see. I will put here the title of the book. Now my apple tree is here, and also I just want to add little bit some more apple which is falling here. So the apple is falling on the ground. And now I have two more pieces here. So what I'm going to do, first I will write here an apple tree. This is the title of the book. So your child will write, then she can or he can draw it here. Now this book is written by Gunjan. I'm writing this book, so this is written by Gunjan Singh. And the last one is who drew these pictures, who is done the illustration. Again, illustration. Gunjan. So this way they can be very interested in writing a book, and believe me, they will even start writing a book of their own with their own characters in no time. And once they are done with the cover of the book, now the cover of the book is the most important part of any book. Once they're done with this, then they can build up their story. If you introduce book to your child, this will leave an everlasting impression and all the good memories of the book, and your child will be a very good reader by knowing all those additional features that this book has, that makes this book special. You know how you like this activity, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you. Bye.